How to get Ultimate Bunny in the first Descendant. Hey gamers, if you're looking to unlock the Ultimate Bunny in the first Descendant, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your hands on this awesome character. So let's dive in. Start by opening the first Descendant on your gaming platform and log into your account. Ultimate Bunny might be available through special events or promotions. So go to the game's event section and set check for announcements for any current promotions related to Ultimate Bunny. Sometimes, characters like Ultimate Bunny are unlocked by completing specific in-game challenges or quests. Check your in-game mission board or challenge list to see if there are any tasks related to unlocking this character. Keep an eye out for limited time events that might offer Ultimate Bunny as a reward. Those events often have specific requirements or tasks you need to complete to earn the character. You can also purchase Ultimate Bunny as it might be available for purchase in the game store, so navigate the store section. Check for updates and follow community updates to stay updated. And if you're having trouble finding Ultimate Bunny, or if you have questions about how to obtain them, you can also contact the game's support so they can provide guidance and help you with any issues that you might be facing. And that's how you can get the Ultimate Bunny in the first Descendant. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.